Say thank you, Santa.
But he's not here.
No, but we can say thank you out loud though.
Let's just open my presents and my present isn't here.
Okay, hold on. Let me get my camera before you start opening.
I'll say, you know what? You can where's my Tinkerbell. I guess I'll take it with my Tinkerbell and I'll put my Ariel.
We probably should see if you actually got them first.
Find them.
A little baby spoon.
Oh, so you can feed those babies.
Ooh.
You want to pick a present to open? Oh, Allison found her presents.
Here it allows it. Can I open them now?
Yeah, go ahead.
Who does that look like? Let me see. Who does it look like?
Sharky.
From your favorite stories.
Here,
Who
let's
does
have that.
look like?
Crunchy.
Look at Frenchie. Oh, she's so cute. Look, Kaylee, she has leg warmers.
Now let's open this one.
Okay.